Hi everyone, welcome to Upcycle with Mara. So a few days later, I posted a video on my TikTok and someone asked for a full tutorial of this top that I made. So I found this idea in Pinterest, so I tried to make one. So here's the full tutorial. First, grab a tank top that fits you well. So here is mine. This is my last tank top that I had. And next, fold it in half to find the center. So after that, wear the tank top and just decide how scrunch the upper part you want to be. And then if you're happy with the scrunch in the chest area, just mark it out. After that, sew a 2 parallel basting stitch from the top through the mark area. Now make sure to change the tension into 0 when you make a basting stitch and the stitch length into the highest stitch length. So when you sew, there's no tension in the stitch and it is easier to gather it. After that, start gathering the upper thread and pull it. Punyeta. Slowly gather it so the thread won't break. And then I will leave a 2-inch length for the gather and sew it with a straight stitch. Also, don't forget to change the tension to the regular tension. Make sure to secure the stitch with the back top so the stitch will not get loose. And I'm going to sew it again so it's more secure. And after that, just remove all the basting stitch that we sew. Then we're going to fold it again in the center. Then after that, I'm just going to mark it here. And cut it. And when you reach in the side, just cut a straight line for the back. So if you're happy in this style, you can just leave it unhemmed, but if you want a lettuce hem, we're going to sew it with a zigzag stitch. Before that, I'm going to adjust the sides so it will fit my waist perfectly. And now I'm going to lettuce hem in the front, but not in the back. So the key to make a lettuce hem is to pull the fabric and sew. Now to hem the back piece, I'm going to fold it once only and sew with a zigzag stitch. But this time you are not going to pull it. So here's the full top, and I think I'm going to make an adjustment here. I'm going to shorten it a little bit, cut here and hem it again with the lettuce hem, and I'm planning to add a lace here, but I realized that I think the lace does not match the print of this top, so I think I'm going to leave it without a lace. But if you want to add a lace, just mark the bust area here, mark here just under your boobs, and then place the lace there. So that's it for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button below so it helps my channel out. Bye!